Have you ever heard the word mutilate and wondered how strong it really is? This is not just another everyday word. It carries a powerful and serious meaning, and today, we'll understand it clearly and simply. The word mutilate is pronounced mutilate. It is a verb, which means it shows an action. So, what does mutilate mean? Mutilate means to damage something severely, especially by cutting or tearing off a part of it. It often refers to serious physical damage to a person, animal, or object. The word usually suggests permanent harm. For example, if someone destroys a statue by breaking its arms and head, we can say the statue was mutilated. If an animal is badly injured and loses a limb, it has been mutilated. This word is strong, so we use it carefully. Now let's look at some simple synonyms of mutilate. Damage, injure, disfigure, destroy, maul. For instance, instead of saying the papers were mutilated, you could say the papers were badly damaged. What about antonyms? Antonyms are words with opposite meanings. Some antonyms of mutilate are repair, heal, fix, restore, protect. If a doctor helps a wounded person recover, we would say the doctor helped heal, not mutilate. Let's understand it better with everyday examples. The old painting was mutilated during the war. He mutilated the document by tearing it into pieces. The dog was badly mutilated in the accident. Notice how the word always shows serious harm, not small damage. You wouldn't use mutilate for a small scratch. It's used when the damage is extreme. Sometimes, the word is also used in a less physical way. For example, the editor mutilated the writer's article by removing important parts. Here, it means badly damaging something by changing or cutting it. Understanding strong vocabulary like mutilate helps you speak and write more precisely in English. The more words you know, the more powerful your communication becomes. Keep learning, keep growing, and keep building your vocabulary with Thesaurus Thrive.